In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Prado wheel spacers with Hub-Centric.
Toyota Prado wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Toyota Prado with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, and more. If you're worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality Hub-Centric wheel spacers. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. A Hub-Centric wheel spacer comes with a Hub-Centric lips as a traction point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the Hub-Centric lips of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacer with thinner Hub-Centric lips. BONOSS Hub-Centric wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right Hub-Centric wheel spacers, there will be no problem. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. BONOSS Forged FT Cooling Toyota Prado wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in the petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Toyota Prado wheel spacers. These notches at the air collectors will tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
If you have any question about the Prado wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.